In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word 2016 document as a PDF without making any mistakes. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Word 2016. Once you have the application open, it's time to choose the document that you want to export as a PDF. Open up the document you have in mind and take a moment to review it thoroughly. Scan for any errors, formatting issues, or missing content. Ensuring that your document is perfect before exporting will save you from repeated editing processes later on. After ensuring everything is in its right place, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen and click on Save As. Now, this is where you decide the location where your shiny new PDF is going to live. It could be a computer folder, your desktop, or wherever you prefer to store your files. Now that you've chosen the perfect resting place for your new document, look for the Save as Type drop-down menu. In this menu, select PDF from the list of options. In the field provided, enter a file name for your PDF that clearly reflects the content for easy location later. Before finalizing the conversion, click on Options to make some critical selections. You have the choice to save the entire document or specify a page range if you only want a portion of the document converted. There's also an option to include document structure tags for accessibility. Including these tags ensure that the document is usable for everyone, including those utilizing screen readers and other assistive technologies. A word of caution: steer clear from options that compress or scale the document unless they're absolutely necessary, as these could affect the document's quality. You're almost done. Click Save, and Microsoft Word will diligently create a PDF version of your document and place it in your chosen location. Once your document has been successfully converted, open it in a PDF viewer such as Adobe Acrobat or simply in your browser. It's important to review the PDF for common issues. Check for missing images or text, misaligned formatting, unintended font changes, or any layout problems. If any of these issues crop up, return to your Word document, make adjustments, and repeat the saving process. Now for some handy tips to ensure you send off a pristine PDF. Use embedded fonts to maintain the appearance by going to File, Options, Save, and checking Embed Fonts in the file. Also, verify your page breaks and spacing and align your images and tables correctly before exporting. Avoid using non-standard fonts that might not render well in a PDF. Lastly, preview the document before you share or print it, ensuring it matches your expectations. By following these steps and tips diligently, you'll enjoy seamless PDF conversions every time.